Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry.
And I'm Irene.
And we have a bunch of things to talk about today, but first, we want to talk about something special that happened to us a few days ago.
Right, we hit 500 subscribers.
Wholly unexpected, at least with regards to the time. We're very happy that it happened.
We've really been enjoying chatting with all our new subscribers, and the old ones too. It's fun to talk about things with people, answer people's questions.
So, look for our giveaway that we're going to describe on Friday of this week.
Right.
That will be open for a full week after that.
Right.
But we'll give you all the details about what we're going to be giving away and the rules for entering. Let's talk about the garden a little bit.
Right, we've had everybody, almost every place that we deal with, whether we're talking with friends in Canada or England or wherever, has had a really challenging spring. We're talking hailstorms and rainstorms and wind, and in our case, wind and a total lack of rain.
Big wind.
Big wind. And just all the damage it does. We've got already a small plague. We've had a plague of flea beetles. They seem to have abated somewhat. But now there's a semi-plague of squash bugs coming in. And I'm starting to see a few cucumber beetles too.
Now,
a couple this morning.
What are we going to have for dinner tonight for vegetable?
We're going to have zucchini. This is our first harvest today. I picked 2 zucchinis off the Dunja, D-U-N-J-A, zucchini in rotted straw bed bale number 1. We had straw bale gardens last year, and we have repurposed some of that straw that was just a little too rotted to leave as bales and plant in this year. We just made a frame, filled it with the rotted straw bales, and put some compost on top and planted into it. So one bed is a selection of squash and national pickling cucumbers.
So we have a lot of vegetables growing.
Yeah, cucumbers, sorry.
So
I spazzed for a minute there.
So we have a lot of vegetables growing in all of our different beds. We have raised beds in soil. We have the raised beds with the composted straw. Mm-hmm. We have straw bale garden out beside the greenhouse.
Right.
We have the hydroponics growing in the greenhouse.
We have another straw bale garden out here that's still there from last year.
We're going to show you a little tour of what's going on. We'll put that to music because I think you've seen a lot of this stuff before. And if you haven't, let us know and we'll be sure to fill you in. Well, thanks very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this little production that we've done today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and for heaven's sake, press the bell so you get notifications. Just go up with your mouse and click on it, and it'll tell you when we're putting something new out.
Yeah, because we've got a ton of new stuff coming out and all kinds of stuff, some projects that we've never done before again.
But that's another story. You'll want to hang around for that. It's going to be interesting.
Right.
It'll definitely be interesting. So,
yeah. Success is another question, but we're pretty confident.
well, thanks for watching. We'll talk with you later.
Bye.
Bye.